Mike was a bright but careless teenager. He lived in a small town with his parents, who always reminded him to think before acting. But Mike didn't always listen. One sunny Monday morning, Mike woke up late. He looked at the clock and panicked. "Oh no! I should have set an alarm," he groaned, jumping out of bed. He could have gotten ready quickly, but instead, he took his time choosing what to wear. "I would be on time if I skipped breakfast," he thought, but he chose to eat anyway. When he finally left home, the school bus had already gone. "I should have left earlier," he mumbled, starting to walk to school. On the way, he saw his friend James standing near a bike. "Hey Mike, want to ride double?" James offered. Mike hesitated. "We shouldn't ride two people on one bike." "But we could reach school faster," James said. Mike gave in. "Okay, let's go." As they sped down the hill, the bike wobbled. "I should have said no," Mike thought, scared. Suddenly, the bike slipped and both boys fell hard onto the road. At the hospital, Mike lay with a bandaged leg and bruised arms. His parents stood beside him, looking worried. "You could have been badly hurt," his mom said. "You should have called us instead of doing something so risky," his dad added. Mike felt ashamed. "I'm sorry. I should have thought more carefully." His teacher visited later that day. "I heard what happened. You would have made it safely if you had waited or called someone," she said kindly. "But mistakes help us learn." Mike nodded. "I understand now. I should have been responsible. I could have made better choices." After he recovered, Mike changed. He started setting alarms, leaving home on time, and thinking about consequences. One day, his younger brother asked to do something dangerous. Mike replied, "You shouldn't do that. You could get hurt." "I know because I made a big mistake once." His brother listened, and for the first time, Mike felt proud not just for doing the right thing, but for learning from his mistake. Moral: we all make mistakes, but we should learn from them. We could avoid problems by thinking first, and we would become wiser if we reflect on our actions. For more stories, subscribe to Stories Desk YouTube channel.